Good afternoon, TMS. TMS 7th and 8th grade students are interested in participating in track may sign up in the main office. Students are reminded a current physical must be on file in the office in order to begin practice.
There will be an informational meeting on Thursday, February 20th at 3 p.m. in the cafeteria.
The school store will be closed for the next several days for maintenance and restocking. Please check out the Cozy Blanket raffle. One winner will be selected to receive a blanket, hot chocolate, popcorn, and slime.
It looks like the school poll showed a clear favorite. Chocolate came out on top with 83 votes, while candy hearts only got 10 votes. Seems like most people prefer the classic sweetness of chocolate over the candy hearts. Are you surprised by the results?
Also, the following students won their pick of the sweet treats: Will Kimmet, Caroline Newlove, Kam Carter-Banks, Kihorany, Ehrin Schoen, and Bella Swartz.
Please stop down by the media center to claim your prize.
Lunch were served taco meat, nacho cheese, Doritos, corn, black beans, peaches, apples.
These have been your afternoon announcements. Tornado Pride,
We don't stop.